In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog post to your Shopify website. Let's get started right from your Shopify dashboard. First, log into your Shopify admin area. This is the main control center for your store, where you manage products, orders, and of course your content. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. From that left menu, click on Content. This is where Shopify groups things like blog posts, pages, and other types of written material. Opening this section gets you into the part of your store that customers will read, not just buy from. Inside the content area, look for blog posts and click on it. This will take you to a list of any posts you've already created. If your store is new, this page might be empty, and that's completely fine. Now, click on Create Blog Post. This opens up the editor where you'll build your new article. At the top, you'll see an empty title field. Click into that field and type the title you want to use for your blog post. Try to choose something clear and descriptive so visitors immediately know what the post is about. Underneath the title, you'll find the main content area. This is where you enter the body of your blog post. Go ahead and paste or type your content here. You can format your text, create headings, add links, and break long paragraphs into shorter ones so it's easier to read. Shopify also lets you enrich your post with media and other elements. In the toolbar, you can add an image, a table, or even embed a video. To add an image, click on the image option in the editor. A window will open that lets you browse your files. From here, select the image you'd like to use from your computer or from your existing library. Take a moment to pick something that fits the topic of your post and looks good in your theme. Once you've chosen the image, click on Done to confirm your selection and insert it into the post. After you're happy with your title, content, and any images or media, look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the page, and click Save. This stores your work and prepares it to be shown on your site. Finally, click on Preview. This opens a live preview of your blog post so you can see exactly how it will appear to your customers. If everything looks good, your new Shopify blog post is ready and you're done.